Getting beastie mode. I'll tell you about beastie mode. Hey, bro, you just be cool, man. See, then they back off right away, because I'm bad.
I'm not the back off.
No, he's totally on my team. This is Shady Baby.
Yeah.
Representing some side of slinger. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Right down, bitch. You know, A-Town.
Down. Stay down.
Stay down. You know, we stay up, stand up while we're staying down. You see us?
Keep it sliding.
Yes, we all can spit. We all got beats. Ain't got nothing but bad bitches, hustling bitches, bad bitches. Bougie bitches on,
The only time you can say you do it big is with some big bitches.
That's all I'm talking about. You got the stretchable heavy, you stretch. You know what I'm saying? I know this one bitch who mind fuck these bitches. They need their condoms, head condoms.
Who's that bitch?
This one, I know this girl named JT, right?
Right.
I'm talking about, she's like, I run this bitch, she don't even know where she's at. I was trying to be funny. I think I just inside the floor.
What? You better clean that shit up, I swear to God. That ain't right.
He put a cigarette in his tooth.
Hey, this is for when you're drinking, you know what I'm saying? So you can keep your cigarette and you can clean up your ass. Your ass dropped on the floor, you gotta pick it back up and kick it out. That's what I'm talking about, real quick. That was Pimpin' 101.